Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today we are going to see the differences between all except and all selected. So this is the data set which we are going to use today, and majorly we'll use the year column and the regional column. So for year column we have this data set for 2010 to 2024, and for region we have 7 regions: Africa, Asia, Europe, Middle East, North America, and South America. So yeah, we have 6 regions. Okay, so I will start by using the table visual, and I will add the region column in this table. So we have the region column, and then we have the all sales, which is a all DAX function. So I've already created measures for all three DAX functions. So this is for all sales, and you can see I have mentioned it in calculate. We are using a sum of sales, and then we mention all function, and we mention region column. Okay, so I will add all sales into this table visual. So you can see because all removes all filters from a table or column, it will show the total values regardless of the region in the rows. So in Africa, in Asia, everywhere it will show total of all the 6 regions. Okay, after this we'll go on the all selected. So all selected, what we have mentioned is it is just the same. The syntax for all selected and all both are same. So I've mentioned the sum of sales, and then we have mentioned all selected and region column. Okay, so we will add all selected to the visual, and you can see both are showing same values. Now the differences for in both of these I'll show you in a minute. So let us go and see what all except says. So as you can see in the first glance, until line 3 the DAX is same, but after this all except we have to mention the table name, which is BMW sales data, and then we have to mention the column. So here all except is a bit different from all and all selected, whereas all and all selected both have the same syntax. So we'll add all except here as well. Okay, so as you can see, all and all selected have same values here, but all except is having different values for each and every row according to the region. So Africa is having Africa's value, Asia is having Asia's value. This is because in all except we have mentioned the region name. So all except will remove all the filters except those which are mentioned. So we have mentioned region here, so it will filter region wise. Now I will add a slicer visual. Here we have a slicer visual, and I'll add region to this. Okay, so now what I will do is I will select the first 3 regions from here. So as you can see, the all filter will remove all filters, but the values are same. So even if we have selected 3, it will show 3 rows, but it will show the values of all the 6 regions. But here there is a major difference, because all selected keeps filters applied by visuals. Here we have applied filter on visuals. We have selected the 3 Africa, Asia, and Europe regions in the visual. We can see all selected is showing the total values for all these 3 only, the selected ones only. Okay, so this is the difference between all sales and all selected, where all will remove all the filters from a table or column, but all selected will work or keep the filters applied by visuals. And again here in all except we will see the same values for Africa, Asia, and Europe. Now if I add a new slicer and add the year column in it, okay, we have a year column. I'll just expand it on the right side, and I'll change the slicer settings. You can use a vertical list. Okay, so now what happens is, now if you will look closely, every value will change over both of these. So previously all sales was not getting filtered from region, but now because here is not mentioned here, it will change the values. So the values here are changed, and obviously the values in all selected will change because it will accept the filters applied by visuals. So it is accepting filters applied by visuals, so the values are changing. Again here it is not supporting the filter from the region. Again it is showing the total of all the regions from 2017, and here all except will remain the same because we have only mentioned the region to filter, so it will only remove all the filters except the mentioned ones. So even if I select any year, both of these will change, but it will not accept anything because it will only filter values from region because it is mentioned in the DAX. Okay, I think this video should help. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.